Hey guys, and welcome back to P Wally. And before we get started, let me just shut the door really quick. I only get a few minutes of vlogs. I have to go quick. So, part 4 on Subway Surfer. I love Subway Surfer. So let's play. Oh yeah, last time I did have Lucy, so I still have her because I haven't played since you guys were here. No! Pause. My God, I hate this thing. Oops. Come on, iPod, sit up. Ugh, thank you. Why did I do that? At least I didn't die. Don't worry, because like I said before, like a million times, don't worry. It will end and I won't even say bye, but there's a whole bunch of other videos, and that's just how it is. Ready, jump. I died. I only get like a minute and 37 seconds. Quickly, it's gonna go off. I'm so sorry. This is not how I planned it to go. Let's just, before we have to sign up, dang it. Yep, it's gonna go off in about 3 seconds. I'm surprised it didn't go off. No, literally, I'm so surprised. Can't believe it. For once, I'm actually good at this game. I didn't know that. Sometimes it's just kind of nice to watch me play. So, wait! Oh my God, I was looking at the camera! Let's go get a new character. Ninja Boy? Alright, let's do it. Let's do it! So wobbly today. I'm gonna do a whole bunch of like part 10. Sorry, kind of burped, excuse me. Did not mean to do that.